Here's how you can generate a MrBeast $10,000 thumbnail. And so this image that we're going to pull up over here, you can see this guy. He drew a picture of the thumbnail. Okay, that's all he drew. And he said, make it into, come on, that's pretty good, man.
That's really good.
That's pretty good. So the level, oh my God, like yesterday I was editing slides, or I was going through slides. Some team put together our slides, and they're using these stock images. And I just took that stock image. It was like the slide was talking about done with you, AI plus humans, right? So you show a human being with like an AI arm. And I was like, we can do better. So I took that picture and I said, make the AI into an actual robot. It made it into an actual robot. And I was able to design a lot of the things I wanted to design in my slides. And now you'll be able to do that too. And so my point of saying all this is that MrBeast spends like $10,000 per thumbnail plus, and you can now do that. In fact, you can take one of his thumbnails and put your picture next to it, and it will integrate your picture into it. You know what I mean? And that's how good it's gotten. This is ChatGPT images, by the way, guys.
I was just looking at Getty Images. Dude, their stock has been so terrible in the last 12 months. It went from $4 to all of a sudden $1.35. But it just hit me with something like Getty Images. Why the heck do people even need stock images anymore? And I'm looking at the revenue. Yeah, it's pretty stable. They do around $939 million a year. 2024 was similar, but I'm like, why do people need stock images?
Yeah, here's the other thing again. Remember, OpenAI got called out before. Their CTO at the time, I think the reporter was like, so did you train your video data on YouTube? And she couldn't answer, right? These images, by the way, like who gets credit for these images at the end of the day, right?
Yeah, I don't know. And Getty right now, they're selling other people's images, and I'm assuming people get paid out a chunk for their images.
Yep. And
they have an AI generator on their homepage, and they're charging, I think, $49 for 25 generations. I'm actually looking at it right now, $149 for 100 generations. But it's like, do you even need to spend that much? Is their technology even as good as OpenAI's technology or Adobe's technology when it comes to generating images?
Yep. Dude, check this out real quick before we move on. So you see, this is the original image over here. You see the AI arm, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So look, it's the same human beings over here. I said, make the AI into a robot, right? And so it does it over here.
That's cool.
Come on.
Yeah, that's
right.
Good.
And then at my point now, I'm just like, guys, there's no excuse that we're not, and this is why we have to set AI standards of excellence. And we have a slide where we're talking about how we need a human operator to operate these AI agents, right? So it made this for me. Come on, man. That's good. And I was like, that's not enough. I need more. I need more agents, right? Give me more agents. More agents, right? Took me 2 minutes to do that.
And then you can even put a prompt in there to tell them to make it realistic, like humans in the real world instead of a drawing. And I bet you they can adjust.
Yeah, and you can put a logo there too, because people are going to copy your stuff, right? So you should put some logos in there. If you're in B2B, here's the deal. LinkedIn account-based marketing sucks, but it doesn't have to. With Carrot, it allows you to create personalized ads towards your customers, and also personalized landing pages that align with the ads, so you're going to have higher conversions, and influence pipeline reporting to prove that your ABM works. So if you want to learn more, just go to carrot.ai and you can join the waitlist. Again, it's carrot, KARROT.ai, and we'll see you on the other side. So all that to say, guys, is ChatGPT images is amazing. I think even with the $20 version, you get a good amount. I think with the free version, you only get 3 images per day, but you pay $200. I almost canceled the $200 a month because we weren't using it internally, right? I'm like, now our designers are like, yeah, we need it. I was like, okay, good. Yeah. But anyway, that is it for today, guys. Please don't forget to rate, review, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.